another DK Custom Products video. This video is going to be part of our series of the little things that make a big difference. And this little thing is the Thunder Torque insert. It's our patented exhaust insert.
Yeah, and there are so many videos out on YouTube on the Thunder Torque inserts. We've done a lot of videos. We have literally hundreds of customers who've done videos.
Right.
So we're not going to get into the detail of how they work or why they work or any of that. What we're going to talk about is just the little thing that they are. And here's three of them. The 1/1/8, the 1/58, and the 2/58.
Right, there's three sizes. For the most part, it's a universal part. It works in nearly all V-twin exhaust systems.
And they just go into the exhaust, and you're going to see anywhere from a 15 to 25% bump in power by putting this in the end of the exhaust.
Right, roughly 2 inches in from the exit, it's perfect. Sometimes you have an exhaust tip or a baffle system that kind of prevents that location, but 2 inches in is ideal.
So when you put these in the exhaust, for the money that you spend on these, and you get a 15 to 20% increase in torque in the low and mid range, there is nothing that gives you more increase in power per dollar spent than these.
That's right.
It's a very little thing that makes a huge difference in performance.
Right, and as a rule of thumb, typically removing your baffles brings on some ill effects. You lose low end power, you get some deceleration popping, and usually some backfiring. These prevent that. These prevent the ill effects that typically removing your baffles would bring about, and gives you the positives, which is a free-flowing exhaust system. You get that louder sound. It's a louder, more throaty sound that a lot of people prefer, and you get more of a thump out of the newer EFI bikes that typically you wouldn't get by just adding slip-ons or adding a full system that's baffled.
So again, a little thing that makes a big difference. Probably one of the smallest things we make, and definitely one of the things that makes the biggest difference.
And probably one of the most popular products we have.
So what we're going to do is we're going to link above a playlist to probably 60 or 70 videos where it goes into depth on different sounds that you get out of it, on why they work, which we haven't touched on in this video. And so just a lot of information about it. But we're just making this video. This is a little thing that makes a big difference. And you can do as much more research as you want by going to the playlist that we listed above and looking at all the details on why they work, what they sound like, all that kind of information.
That's right. And right here I'll pull up a sizing chart to show you the size of the inserts. But if you have any questions about fitment, feel free to shoot us an email to support@dkcustomproducts.com. Send us a photo looking into the exit of your exhaust, and we'll reply back within 1 day of exactly what you need to make it work.
If you all like the video, please give it a thumbs up.
Hit that notification bell so you'll be updated when our next video comes out.
And we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a lot and it doesn't cost you anything.
That's right. And y'all ride safe out there.